Hi, this is Mark with a quick update. I showed you a couple of days ago in the live training session how for me they were still dollar bullish until or unless we break through this 200 EMA, major previous support and resistance. I showed you how if price came down and tested these levels, that would help me to get into the Swiss franc, dollar Swiss franc, and I caught it almost to the pip, so another spookily accurate entry there, and that was, I think, caught it with 2 pips. Now the point is we're in this trade and we're long, and I've risked 20 odd pips so far, and now it's gone 50 almost. So my first priority always is to get the stop to entry or as near as is possible. Now the average range on this is 54 and it's done 44, so it could do a bit more today. I could initially have moved the stop in here to half the risk. Now I'm going to go to entry plus a few pips to make sure that if it suddenly whipsaws, Trump does something kicks off in the Gulf or whatever, then I cannot lose. However, in a few hours' time, what I'm tempted to do, as I've done 2 to 1 now, I've made twice as much as my risk, I'm going to take off 70%, because if you look here, this is where price has previously stopped on a number of occasions. So if I take 70% off, I bank some profit, and I will leave the balance to run. And then from a management point of view, I could go down to the 4 hour and start to look for where price starts to consolidate as an area where to move my stop to. So for example, at the moment, it's struggling at the 55 EMA on the 4 hour. If this comes down, touches here and moves away again, then I could come in and tuck it behind there. The other one I caught is a counter trend trade, and I don't often take counter trend trades, as you know, but I explained we were at the top of a range, major significant previous support and resistance, and this was risking initially 60 pips for a potential 120, so there's the 1 to 2. I then have an order in to buy if it comes back down here. Now my priority one, remember, is always to reduce risk. We're only 14 pips in profit at the moment, so I can't start rushing to move the stop to entry because it's quite probably going to get taken out. But when I look in here with the bunches of EMAs I have, I could at the very least, well, I could go in here, but if I go in here, I am going to reduce the risk down to 20 pips. So I am going to get rid of 70% of my risk by moving my stop to there. So I'm going to do that now and then leave that to run. Now remember, counter trend trades are usually half the risk. This is on a demo account. I didn't have time. I've gone in full risk. But normally for counter trend, I will half the risk because you are selling when everybody else is buying. I hope that helps. Catch you later.